How to change your team in NBA Live Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily switch your NBA Live Mobile team. First of all, launch open the NBA Live Mobile game on your device and wait for the screen on the main menu to load. Once you're inside the home screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. And once you do, go to the bottom left and tap on Overview. After you're inside this overview page, click on Edit Profile, and now under Team, go ahead and select the team you want to change to from the menu. Select its logo, and once you do, you can then go to the main menu and you have successfully changed your team on NBA Live Mobile. After the selection is done, you'll be able to see it change right away. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.